Let's get a coffee there. That will do nice. Morning everyone. Here we are. We're just checking out the Blue Jay Lodge. And here we are in South Lake Tahoe. It's a bit nippy. Looking at about 3 or 4 degrees. And glad I got the thermals, me Gerbings heated gloves, they're all coming into use today. And normally a ski resort you see in the winter. It's out of season, so it's all cheap. Right here we're on the state line. To my right we've got California, South Lake Tahoe. To my left we've got Nevada and the little town of the state line. So we've got all the casinos here on the left. Obviously things are a bit more relaxed. Yeah, let's just do a quick loop of Lake Tahoe, which is going to be up on through Nevada on the eastern side of the lake. Then I'm going to come back down on the other side in Oopsie daisy! I should have let this thing warm up a bit more. Yeah, all the posh casinos. Interesting little town, definitely they're all resort town. It's obviously golf, there's skiing, there's lots of money, there's casinos, lots of bars, it's, yeah. Interesting little place. Now, I don't recall if lane splitting's legal in Nevada, so I'm gonna hold off. Another casino. Yeah, that number plate's legal. Sushi. So there's Lake Tahoe over there to the left. We're going to do a quick loop round. And we're going to head over to Sacramento. We're going to check out there. Find out where the Pony Express finishes. Some quite historic area there. God, has he got bare hands? This guy is a nutcase. It's fucking cold out here. The Safeway. Oh, there's a brand you haven't seen in the UK for a while. So many of these big trucks. Half of them are just crazy. Oh, one parked outside the hotel last night was a 6.4 litre. Crazy, crazy. Maybe if you're off-road, it's snowing around here, maybe it is useful though. I don't know. I do love these cedar forests. Thought this to be a nice scenic route, but it's definitely slightly mundane highway. Still, it's alright. It's alright. Kind of wish I put the thermal liner back in these hideout trousers. Definitely a bit of a chill. I'm kind of holding off because I know once I get back into San Fran this afternoon, it's going to be like mid-20s and I'll be roasting like a pig. Liner in the jacket's easy enough to take out when you're on the road, but a bit more hassle in your trousers. Don't really fancy disrobing on the side of the road. Oh, it's a pleasant enough motel. No, it's only 2 stars. It's a cheap motel. I think it cost me 40 quid for the night. Included some basic continental breakfast. I say continental. It was essentially some pre-made coffee, a donut, and some sugary cereals. Hey, can't complain, 40 quid. But, you know, it's clean, functional, nice hot shower, burger's comfy. Bit on the chilly side, but the heating was there. Oh, check that out. The heating was working, but it was very noisy, so every time it cut in at night it woke you up. What, tunnel? Haha, yeah. Oh yeah. Even the highway's got some nice bends. Who said America's all straight roads, eh? Seriously? You need to come to California. Yeah, got no snow chains today. Hopefully not going to need them. Spooner Lake. Spoon Man. All my friends are brown and red. Spoon.
All my friends are Indians.
All my friends are brown and red.
Saw St. Garden back in, God knows when, early 2000s. Fucking hell, are they amazing. Open the gate to Spoon Man.
To recap, yesterday I rode through the epic Yosemite National Park, then up Route 395 and 89 to South Lake Tahoe. Check out my past video on Yosemite, it was amazing. Cue the montage.
Selfie time! Bears! Oh, lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Cats. Is that ice hockey? I don't know. I can't get my head around all these American sports. I was in the bar last night watching American footy. What is that all about? I haven't a clue. Then again, I barely follow UK soccer. Do you like the style of all these kind of like log cabin, wooden houses and buildings? Gives it almost a Bavarian feel to it, almost. I don't know. It's no, it's cool. I mean, there's plenty enough wood up here. You can see why they used it. But yeah, the Super 10. It's been growing on me. It's a very comfortable, very capable ride. It's. I was watching the review of it by Fortnite, and yeah, I think he's got it spot on, really. It does a lot, really, and it does it quite well. I think I was moaning that in sport mode the throttle was a bit snatchy, but I know, I'm kind of adjusted now. Not too bad, really. I mean, maybe it's just, acclimatization and so on. It's like, getting used to the clutch bike on any new bike you jump on. Always takes a moment. It's, no, it tips through the bends, very well. I mean, I wasn't totally hooning it. I wasn't kind of like, going mental. But, at a fair old rate, it does well. And, oh, look at that scenery. It's alright, you just get so distracted down here. It's got, a decent amount of grunts, it's got decent tank range, it handles well, it's comfortable. Yeah. What more do you really want? I mean, fun? Yeah, you can have fun on it for sure. Obviously, I've not ridden a GS or a Tiger, or a KTM, so I can't really compare to them. But, oh, look at that over there. Yeah, I don't know if there's much I'd really want to change about this bike. It does a lot. I've not ridden it off-road, but I'm not a vast experienced off-road, and yeah, Eagle Rider don't like you taking their rental bikes off-road, so that's out. More casinos. Yeah, it seems to be very much geared up to rinsing people of money. And welcome back to California. Look at that. All the casinos on the border. Look, you can hop over and have a quick flutter. It's all very quaint, isn't it? Oh, I realise the irony in that. An Englishman coming over to the States and claiming their stuff's quaint. I really need a piss. That coffee's gone straight through me. Oh, and clear that bloody traffic now. Now we can get a move on. Hey, going down. Going down. Hey, look at this road. That's like a flipping helter-skelter. Tight one. We're just leaving South Lake Tahoe. We're on Route 50 and we're on the way to Sacramento. It's 11 o'clock. It's taken me a lot longer than I expected to go around Lake Tahoe. So I need to get a shimmy on.
Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button to hear more of my adventures in California and elsewhere around the globe. Bye.